Hello, magandang araw and welcome. Ako si Mystico Moreno, or in short, Mismo, at dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love and light. Sa inyong Tagalog, love reading ngayon na mismo. Okay, so kung mapapansin nyo, ibang aking setup today. Dahil currently, I'm in Davao, pero ito, may time para isingit ang love reading. And here it is. Itong love reading na to ay para sa lahat ng air signs, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So, hello sa inyong mga air signs. And ang gagawin natin today ay third party energy love reading. So, tingnan natin ano yung masasagap kong energy from the collective. And, ayun, ang third party energy hindi laging romantic, okay? So, anything or anyone na outside energy na nakaka-apekto sa connection mo with your person, it's a third-party energy. Okay? So, pwedeng kaibigan, kamag-anak, kaklase, katrabaho, pwedeng trabaho mismo, schoolwork, priorities, health. Okay? So, tingnan natin mamaya sa ilalabas na ng spread. Okay? So, bubunot ako ng isang card from this deck, which by the way is a new deck, kaya excited din akong gamitin. It's the Yokai Tarot. Japanese folklore yung theme niya. And then, ipapares ko siya sa isa pang card from this deck. And tatlong pairs yung gagawin natin. Recent, past, present, and near future. Okay. So, ayun, gusto kong magpasalamat sa lahat ng air signs na patuloy na sumusuporta sa Mystico Moreno channel. Thank you so much po. Sobrang appreciated. Please continue to support my channel by liking this video and commenting below, lalo na kung nag-resonate yung reading sa inyo after mapanood nyo hanggang dulo. And sa mga bago, sana supportan nyo rin po by subscribing. So, my channel grows and para updated rin kayo sa mga ipopost ko pang reading. And as I always remind in my channel, this is a collective and general love reading, so it may or may not resonate with everyone. Kapag hindi nag-resonate, huwag pilitin. Abangan nila yung mga susunod ko pang love reading. Okay? O panarin yung ibang post na nandito sa channel, baka isa doon ay mag-resonate sa inyo. Best to book a personal private reading kasi mas nakaalign yun sa energy ninyo. Okay, nasa description box lang naman yung aking email address. Yan. Cut ko na ba? So, let's begin. I'll get the 7th card dahil July ngayon. Pero before that, let's check. Is this a romantic third-party energy? Yes, it is. Okay. So, recent past, Ace of Swords. And Ace of Swords ulit. Wow, okay, second time to nangyari in my reading. So, and yung first na nangyari to is sa fire signs. Now, sa air signs naman sa recent past. Alright. Okay, Ace of Swords. Double confirmed by another Ace of Swords. So, yes, it, yung third-party energy in the recent past na kilala or na meet ng person ninyo, either, okay, so for some of you, yung third-party energy ay na-meet through online online application. So, nagkaroon ng match or your person initiated contact, pwedeng sa social media, and then na-attract siya dito sa person na to, minessage niya, and nagkaroon ng pagkakaunawaan, okay? Nagka-developan, ganyan. Or kung hindi man nagka-developan, parang, yeah, the intention to do some hanky-panky stuff, yun, na nangyari through an app na nagkaroon ng initial contact. Okay, that's here with the Ace of Swords is an initiation or a beginning of uh, conversation, communication. Okay, na either your person or the other person initiated contact. So, pwedeng ano din, sobrang attractive din kasi nung person mo, and people actually are messaging him or her as a social media or maybe through an app, dating app siguro na you're not aware of na ginagawa pala ng person mo. But I think you found out about it. Pero for some, pwedeng hinala pa lang ang nangyayari. And for some naman, pwedeng na-meet nitong person mo itong third party sa isang event, sa isang party, or sa isang convention, for example, sa work. And then, nagkaroon ng, again, initial contact na either may nagpakilala, kumari sa event, tapos nagkaroon ng initial contact hanggang sa nag-proceed na siya into something na more intimate than necessary. Okay? Ayan, and it's a double confirmation. Bihirang mangyari ito na isang pair parehong cards. And actually, at second time pa lang to. First was when I read para sa fire signs. Pero yon present moment naman yung cards nila na nag double confirm. Okay? So yeah, and this energy, I think ongoing pa yung communication na nangyayari. Tinry nila na itago, okay? And pero for some of you na reveal itong communication, pwede rin na dito na kita nyo siya sa phone, for example, may ganung conversation. And then I can see for some of you na confront yung person ninyo na sino to, bakit may ganito kang uusap, bakit ganito yung usapan ninyo, bakit hindi na siya mukhang professional na usapan, bakit hindi na siya parang related sa trabaho or sa school, more than that na yung usapan, and nakita nyo siya for example sa phone or sa email or tumawag, and then kayo nakasagot, ganun. So yeah, take however it resonates sa situation nyo. Okay, sige, tingnan natin how this energy or this initial contact na ongoing na at the moment is affecting the present energy between you and your person. Ayan, yeah. So, 9 of Swords. It's stressing you. Oh, tama. Siyempre, hurt ka. Kasi ba hindi? Diba? I mean, your person is flirting with someone. Tapos, pwedeng deny pa kahit nahuli na. Okay? So, with the 9 of Swords and 3 of Swords, well, your hurt sa nangyari, and valid naman siya. And Three of Swords is a confirmation din of a third party energy, romantic din. Tapos with the Nine of Swords, ang dami mo tuloy na overthinking na nangyayari ngayon. Hanggang saan na ba umabot? Siya na ba yung mahal? Iiwan na ba ako? Yung mga ganong overthinking, ano na siya, nag-snowball na. And very anxious ka na tuloy ngayon sa mga galaw na wala na yung trust, and kada galaw ng person mo or kare aalis, sasabihin may business trip, iba na yung may isip mo. Iba na yung naiisip mo, iba na yung tumatakbo sa utak mo kapag nagsabi na ay may pupuntahan lang or may magta-travel somewhere with colleagues or with friends, or ganito kapag may biglang nag-uusap kayo tapos biglang may ka-text sa phone, iba na agad syempre yung inisip nyo is the third party na. So yun, very stressed kayo dito, and may mga sleepless nights na rin kayo, kakaisa ano yung kailangan nyo nang gawin, paano to i-confront, paano siya i-resolve, or ano ba yung magiging next move or decision sa relationship. Kasi, ayun, halo-halo na yung emotions na medyo negative at the present moment, and it's really stressing you out. Yung cortisol level ninyo sobrang taas na. So, I guess, yeah, you really have to sit down on it at pag-isipan mabuti ano yung next step, and that next step should be done very soon, kasi the more you delay it, the more na magstay ka din sa ganyang situation, the more na mas stress ka, baka magkasakit ka pa, baka hindi ka pa makapagtrabaho ng maayos, and nawawala rin kasi yung focus mo. Parang ngayon, all of a sudden, lalo na yung nalaman mo tong situation. For some of you na alam na, and for some na naghihinala pa lang, yun, parang nakafocus na most of your attention dun sa ginagawa or mga actions ng person mo. Kasi baka ganito, baka ganyan, and na-stress ka rin na ano bang mali, baka biglang ang dami mo ng overthinking talaga na hindi naman totoo, pero dahil nga sa nangyari, yun yung parang hindi mo maiwasan na mag-isip, and yung pag-isip pa hindi pa positive. Okay? Alright. And tignan natin kung ano yung effect, or how it may also affect yung ito. Energy is the present and past, and tignan natin ano yung pwedeng mangyari in the near future na pwede nyo namang kung hindi siya kagandahan, pwede nyo naman siyang i-reverse or pigilan or i-mitigate. Ayan. Lalo na magkakaroon kayo ng self-awareness through this reading. Okay. Okay, Knight of Wands. And paired with Ace of Cups. Okay. In the near future, I think naman na there will be a desire to fix the relationship, and I guess ma-realize ng person ninyo na mali siya. This won't really proceed to a more or a deeper connection between him or her and the third party. I guess all you have to do is also call this person out. Pag-usapan ninyo, there will be an opportunity for a reset, a reconciliation with the Ace of Cups here showing up na mahal kayo ng person na to, nagkamali siya, and there will be an action, and that action is a desire to restore or ayusin ang gulong nangyari, i-restore yung love, affection between the two of you, the relationship na mag-proceed. Kasi takot din tong person mo na iwan mo siya. Okay? Ano lang siya, madali lang matempt. Pero takot din siya na iwanan mo siya. And kaya mag-initiate din siya ng action to stop this third-party situation. And hopefully, in the future din na hindi na maulit yung pagkakamali na yun. Okay? Although this person has tendencies. Pero hopefully na malaman nyo, matutunan yung lesson from what happened. And ayun, kasi itong person na to gugustuhin din in the near future. And nasaktan din naman siya na nasaktan kanya. Okay? And hingi to ng another chance. And there will be a reconciliation, a reset, a fresh start sa connection, sa love story ninyo, a new chapter siguro na natutunan na yung mga lessons at hopefully hindi na siya maulit pa. Okay? Sige. Sana nag-resonate tong reading na to, lalo na maganda na yung near future. Although at the present moment, ito yung situation mo and I feel sorry for you. I feel bad for you. Okay? And yeah, if you want to also continue this situation, keep manifesting itong positive na near future energy. Alright, so tingnan natin ano yung message na lang ni universe. Bunot na lang ako ng additional pair. That would be the message of the universe for you or an advice if ever. Six of Wands. Okay, yeah. It's a good sign. And Four of Pentacles. Okay. So the message of the universe for you is medyo there will be you'll come up victorious then with this lalo na dun sa near future. At the moment it's not doing well pero there's a bright future ahead. Basta pag-usapan, hindi naman siya mangyayari na parang biglaan na lang all of a sudden. Kailangan ma-lay down sa table yung issue para ma-resolve siya ng maayos. Hindi lang siya yung parang hinayaan nyo lang lumipas tapos parang ay okay na, ulit kami, ganun. Kailangan siyang upuan para hindi na maulit at hindi mo na maramdaman ito dahil hindi siya masayang feeling. And you'll come out victorious from this. It will be something naman na itong near future energy will bring yung feeling of na success na okay, nalampasan namin itong pagsubok na to. Okay, and siguro kasi may medyo nakita ko dito yung what you need to change then somehow. I think, okay, for some of you, may energy kasi nung pagiging possessive, too possessive dun sa ano, and I think na medyo nasakal din kasi yung person mo sa you have this behavior to be too possessive with the Four of Pentacles here, and ito yung I think advice or message in the universe to fix that behavior kasi it's not helping. Parang dahil feeling smaller yung person mo, baka kaya din siya nag-resort to initiating contact with someone else. Pero it's not also I'm not validating naman din the action of your person. It's not really proper, pero we all have reasons naman sa mga actions na ginagawa natin. Basta importante, pag nagkamali, be accountable, okay? Be responsible din sa mga results and accept the consequences. Pero yeah, it's the message of the universe is the relationship will come out victorious. May mga kailangan lang i-fix ng konti or i-tweak. And also with the Four of Pentacles kasi, it's also an energy parang na naka-focus tayo sa mga bagay na hindi naman dapat natin pagtuunan ng pansin. Kaya kakaroon ng maling prioritization. And also, it's important nga talaga na for this to really end na successful, kailangan may action at the present moment. Ano yung mga need gawin para umabot dito. Else, magtutuloy-tuloy lang to, and this energy sa near future would be delayed din. Okay? And this also will be delayed. The more you also not work on yourself. Okay, so sana nakatulong itong reading na to. And always use my readings with discernment. Nasa inyong mga kamay pa rin ang inyong kapalaran. And yeah, we all have free will. Nasa sa atin pa rin yung magiging decision natin. These are just insights, guidance on how you will navigate dito sa connection ninyo given na may ganitong situation pa. Okay? So, kita-kits na lang ulit sa susunod ko pang love reading. Ako si Mystico Moreno. On short, mismo. Ingat!